We are pocketing out a spot for the sign. The size of the pocket is 12 by 12 inches. We are using a 1/4 inch to flute and mill bit. This is what the sign should look like when finished and painted. The wood we are using is cherry. Bit change time. We are now using a 1/8 and mill to hog out material. Three hours 31 minutes remain for this carve. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And remember to hit that like button. We are now switching the bit to a 60-degree V for the final stage of the carve.
Alright, we'll see how the sign turned out. Not too bad. Little fuzzies, but we'll get that cleaned up. And then we'll clear it with spray it with clear, then spray it with black, and sand it down. We'll see how it looks when it's all done.